In today's quick tutorial, I'll show you how to mute a video on new iPhones. Maybe there's some background noise you want to get rid of, or you just want the video to be completely silent. Either way, it's super easy to do using the built-in editing tools right on your phone. You don't need any extra apps or complicated steps. Everything you need is already there. This works great for any video you've recorded and want to keep without sound, so let's begin. First, open the Photos app and select the video you want to mute. Now go to Edit at the bottom of the screen. Once you're in editing mode, tap the sound icon in the top left corner of the video preview. The icon will change to a muted speaker, which means the sound has been turned off. Now you just tap down to save the changes. And that's it, your clip is now completely silent. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.